Today in math, we are still in Module 1, but we are on Lesson 14, counting up to 3 or more using our 5-group cards, our fingers, or drawing our dots. So our main learning target is just I can count on. We practiced this the last couple days by tapping our head and then punching, so saying like 6, 7, 8. You might have done something different with your class, but it's just different ways to get us to move our bodies and count on. The things you need today are just your green math book that says Learn. You don't need the other one. Of course, your dry erase board and markers, and if you were able to or you wanted to, you can make 5-group cards, which are available in this little file here. If you want to click and draw them out, they're just our dots that represent numbers as well. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to start up by doing a fluency warm-up. Fluency is just what we usually do in the yellow book. It's our sprints. It's practicing counting. So here's a little detective, which we've been in like all of our subjects, especially in reading. We've been little investigators. So you are going to listen to this video, warm up our brains, get moving, and then when you're ready, come back and we'll go over our application problem. Okay, so friends, now that our brains are warmed up, you're ready for our Try It, our application problem. So this is going to be in pages 99 and 100. So lesson 14, okay, and it says page 99 and 100. I'll give you a second to go get that page, or you can pause it, and when you're ready, press play and I'll read it to you. Okay, so now that you're back, I want you to follow along in your book while I read it out loud. Beth went apple picking. She picked 7 apples and put them in her basket. 2 more apples fell out of the tree right into her basket. How many apples does she have in her basket now? Draw a math picture and write a number bond and a number sentence to match the story. Now, friends, remember, if you need this repeated, you can just rewind, watch that part of the video again, and hear my voice reading it. Pause this while you work, and when you're done, press play and come back and check your work to see how you did. Good luck. Awesome. So now that we did it, it's time to check our work. So Beth went apple picking. Super cool. She picked 7 apples and put them in her basket. Okay, right here, we drew our basket and we drew our 7 little circles to represent our apples. You didn't have to put them in a basket. You could have just drawn a line, whatever works to explain your brain. Okay, then 2 apples fell right out of a tree. 1, 2, into her basket. So now, how many does she have? Well, 7 plus these 2, we go 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 total. And here, right here, we've got our whole part for our number bond. Excellent work, friends. I think you're ready for the new lesson today. So today for your concept development, you're going to watch this video, and I think some of you are already seeing about the Capri Sun drinks over here. Super cool. So you're going to be counting on, and you are going to need your dry erase board and marker, or if you don't have that, just a piece of paper and pencil, so you have some space to explain your brain. When you're done, you can come back on this video and I will show you exactly where you're supposed to be for your problem set. Whoops, too fast. So friends, for your problem set, your independent task today, right, you're going to lesson 14, same lesson, and then in your green learn book, okay, it's page 101 and 102. Right? You'll notice it does say on 102 that you can use your 5-group cards. They're over here if you need to print them again, but that's completely optional. Really, you could do it in your brain. You can draw your dots, use your fingers, though I don't want you to, but do your best. Okay? Again, this is on your own, so you can use this 10-minute timer to keep track of your work. If you need a little extra time, totally fine. Okay. And when you're finished, you're going to do your exit ticket. So that's on the next page. When you finish your problem set, you'll see it. Okay. And it's on page 103. Make sure that your exit ticket is done on your own. All right. Completely on our own, to make sure that you are prepared and that your teacher can see what you're thinking. Can't wait to see all your work. Bye, friends.